I take the pleasure of inviting you to yet another session of organic chemistry. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, namely active methylene compounds. What are active methylene compounds? Active methylene compounds are those compounds where a CH2 group is sandwiched between two highly electron withdrawing groups. We know pretty well the molecular formula of methane is CH4. If we remove a hydrogen atom from CH4, we are going to get methyl group. If one more hydrogen atom is removed from this methyl group, then the group that is left over with two free valencies, namely CH2, is called as methylene group. If this methylene group is sandwiched between two highly electron withdrawing groups, then it is called as active methylene compound. Now, few examples for active methylene compounds are malonic ester, S2-ester ester, etc. These active methylene compounds are highly useful in synthetic organic chemistry because one can prepare wide variety of classes of organic compounds from S2-ester ester or malonic ester. Okay, let us focus the preparation and properties of S2-ester ester in my part 1 of this presentation. S2-ester ester is prepared by using Claisen condensation reaction. In Claisen condensation, two molecules of ethyl acetate react with a strong base like sodium ethoxide and forms S2-ester ester. The Claisen condensation reaction mechanism includes 3 steps. In the first step, one molecule of ester will be treated with a base to form the carbanion intermediate. Of course, it is stabilized by resonance as shown. Now, in the second step, this carbanion intermediate will be attacking a fresh molecule of the ester. Towards the end, ethoxide ion will be removed as a leaving group to form the required compound. So, ultimately, in the mechanism of Claisen condensation reaction, there are 3 steps. The first step is removal of an alpha proton from the ester with the help of a strong base to generate the carbanion. This carbanion intermediate will be attacking a fresh molecule of another ester and it forms an oxoanion intermediate. This oxoanion intermediate loses the leaving group, namely ethoxide, to form the acetoacetic ester. A very important molecule which is having plenty of synthetic applications. As I told you, active methylene compounds are compounds where methylene group, namely CH2 with 2 free valencies, is connected with 2 highly electron withdrawing groups, EWG. So EWG. Nothing but these are minus M affecting groups. Electron withdrawing groups, minus M affecting groups. Let me write few examples of active methylene compounds. One is acetoacetic ester, the other one is malonic ester. OET, C double bond O, CH3. This is our acetoacetic ester, which is also called as ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. The other example for active methylene compounds is malonic ester, which is COOET on both sides. This is malonic ester. How do you prepare acetoacetic ester synthetically? Acetoacetic ester is prepared synthetically by using Claisen condensation reaction. Claisen condensation reaction. What is this Claisen condensation? Claisen condensation is condensation of 2 ethyl acetate molecules, 2 ester molecules. I am taking here, for instance, 2 ethyl acetate molecules. 2 molecules of ethyl acetate, CH3, COO, C2H5. I am treating them with a strong base, namely sodium ethoxide, NaOET. Then I am going to get the end product as ethyl acetoacetate, which is also called as acetoacetic ester. The mechanism of this particular reaction is involving 3 steps. What are they? The first step, step 1, is the attack of ester molecule by a strong base. CH3, COO, C2H5 is the ester taken, and this is treated with a strong base, namely ethoxide ion, ETO-. This comes and removes the alpha proton. When proton is removed, I am going to get the carbanion generated. So I am going to get CH2 minus COO, C2H5. This is the species I am going to get. This is the carbanion intermediate. This carbanion intermediate attacks a fresh molecule of the ester as shown here. I am taking a fresh molecule of ester. Ethyl can be written as ET. Now this is coming and attacking here. So as a result, the pi bond moves onto oxygen to generate the oxoanion intermediate. So CH3, C, O minus, OET here, and at the bottom I have CH2, COO, C2H5. Okay, so this is the oxoanion intermediate. In the third step, this oxoanion intermediate loses the ethoxide ion, which is a better leaving group, to form the compound of our interest. What is the compound of our interest? The compound of our interest is acetoacetic ester, which is prepared this way. CH3, C double bond O, and I have this particular group attached to this carbon. What is the group? CH2, COO, C2H5. You can write the elaborated form like this, or you can write the short form like this. It's up to you. So this is our acetoacetic ester molecule. That's it.